In this video, I'm going to show you how to block adult websites on your iPhone. But before we get started, make sure to follow and subscribe to iOS Droids. The very first step is to go to settings on your iPhone. Now tap on screen time. Now at the bottom you will see an option of content and privacy restrictions. Just tap on that. Just make sure that content and privacy restrictions tab is turned on. Now tap on content restrictions. Tap on web content. Now tap on limit adult websites. So this will block all the adult websites on your iPhone. For more detailed tutorial, click the first link given in the description of the video. So that's it about the video, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.